Right, we've just been the rock in. You can see it in the background. Apologies for the lack of videos over the last few weeks, but I've been having like a major change. Must remember to look in the lens. Basically, before, my main vlogging kit was Canon G7X Mark II. That's Amy in the background. And obviously I had my Canon EOS M50, which I've had for years, with lots of lenses. And what happened was, on my last video, which was a 360, I broke my camera, my 70D, totally gutted. And I've been effing and ahhing about going to mirrorless for donkeys and never dared. So, broke the camera, still worked, it was only the top screen that was broke. So I sold the camera on eBay, my home insurance paid out, and I brought the camera I'm using now, which is a Canon EOS M50. It does seem to be good, Lily, alright.
Me? Amy said that.
Oh, sorry, Amy. And obviously it's got the new Digicate processor. It's far more advanced than the 70D was. So yeah, I brought that. So I've only got this at the moment, and I'm using my phone, and I've got obviously my couple of action cams, and big investment in my YouTube videos. Got myself the new Zhiyun Smooth 4, which is an amazing, absolutely amazing gimbal. You will have seen some intro videos on that on the video today, using the time-lapse function. And I bought the DJI Mavic Air, the Fly More combo, which again you will have seen hopefully some videos on that. So we've come to the Roaches to camp. On one of my previous videos I was up here and it was dead foggy last year, and it's quite poignant really, because I've been coming up here for about 20 years, and the chap that owns the campsite, he was 84 and he passed away 1st of April, which was quite gutting. He always comes down in the morning, collect the money. His son was here today collecting the money for the camping, so quite poignant. So I've come here with Lily and Amy. You've seen Amy before, my next door neighbour's daughter. She's got her own yeah, check her YouTube channel out. Amy's Vlogs. Amy's Vlogs. There you go.
By the way, AMIE, and subscribe to my dad's channel.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. But as you can see, it's really picturesque here. It's got like a ford, and this is the little village that leads up to the campsite, so it is really a very picturesque, beautiful place. So yeah, I'm using the EOS M50, and I've got the 11-22 wide angle lens on. I have brought an external mic, but there's no wind. It's a beautiful evening, and it's a good job because we're in a little two-man mountain tent between the three of us. And what did Numpty do? He forgot his pegs. So we've just come up for one night. And the other thing is, last time I was here on my own. We've turned up today. It's bank holiday weekend, glorious weather, as you probably all know, those of you that are in England, and it's rammed. So I'll show you the field when we get up the top. We're gonna light the barbecue. We've just been to the pub, had a couple of drinks. The girls have had cokes, obviously. They're not drinking alcohol at their age, and should be a nice evening. But it really is a picturesque, beautiful place, and I've been meaning to go mirrorless for a while, and this camera, it's a lot lighter. I used the 70D last when I was in Scotland for vlogging, and cracking, really chuffed. So we'll catch you when we get to the campsite, and you can see how busy it is compared to, if you watched the last year's video, what it was like then. Catch you in a bit, cheers. Right, we're coming up to the field now, and in 20 years of coming here, I have only ever seen the top field opened once, and the top field, oh, it's been opened, and there's people in there as well. It's going to be a right festival atmosphere in here tonight.
There's going to be music all night long. Never
mind. There's Duke of Edinburgh here.
I've got headphones and stuff.
And you can see lots of people. Here we are, our neighbours who kindly donated some pegs because Gaza forgot his pegs. Sitting and chilling with Bonnie the dog.
Hello.
They're a bit posh because they've got an upper story on theirs.
Yeah, we get 2 stories.
So you're not like us poor people.
We like,
us pagan poor people next door.
2 stories and an outhouse.
It's beautiful.
Do you sleep up there?
You do?
Yes.
That is cracking.
Yeah.
And this is ours. We're in a 2-man mountain tent. And the field is absolutely rammed. Right, we've just been to the Roaches tea room. Had a slushy, haven't you girls? First time I've ever been to the tea room. Right, we're going up Hen Cloud now. We've just been to tea rooms, first time I've been there, ever. All these years are coming up. And it's a glorious day. You can see.
Very hot day.
It is. It's a Titterworth Reservoir in the distance as we walked up. And we're going up there. Hen Cloud. We're going to try and get the drone up at the top. So we're going to B-roll on the way up and we'll see you at the top. Cheers. Right, I've put the dead cat on with the road video mic. It's a bit windy up here. So we've walked all the way up top of Hen Cloud. Plan was to get some dynamic shots with the new Mavic Air, and there's all signs up saying peregrine falcons nesting, so their nesting is more important than me making a YouTube video. So drone staying in its bag. Gutted, but only important. Could have got some cracking shots. We're quite high. Even though there's all signs up saying don't disturb the peregrine falcons, and there's a load of climbers below us climbing exactly where the peregrine falcons are. But I'm going to do my bit for nature and ecology, and I am not going to fly my drone. I'll come back another day to get my dynamic footage. I don't like heights. So yeah, lots of people climbing. Just about to see them in the lens. Bit of a drop. And then somebody's got a rope here. What would happen if I undid that knot? I'd hear a funny noise. You right, girls?
Something here. There's a fly which has an ant.
There's a what?
Fly which is carrying an ant.
No, it's an ant that's carrying a fly.
Oh. Oh yeah.
It's dinner. Look how the size of that fly compared to that. And he's taking it all the way up there. Taking it back to the nest. It's a glorious day. Top of the world. Back at the car, aren't we, girls? Yeah. It's very warm. They've had a biscuit. Have you had a drink? Yeah. And we're leaving the campsite now. Thanks very much. I hope you've enjoyed our little video and our test. Sorry we couldn't get much more drone footage at the top of Hen Cloud. But it's been a gorgeous weekend. Thank you very much for all my new subscribers. It's much appreciated. Coming up to 50,000 views now, and I think I've got 219 subscribers, which is great. Thanks for all the support. Hopefully with this new kit, start putting out lots more new videos. And any suggestions, greatly appreciated. Thumbs up would be amazing. And stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.
Follow me.